Welcome to the complete guide for your Nayati Gas Tilting Pan, model NGTP 120GR. In this video, we'll cover unit identification, installation points, and a full demonstration of its operation. First, let's identify your unit. You can find all critical information on the nameplate, located on the side of the appliance. It shows the model number, NGTP 120GR, the 30 kilowatt gas power rating, and the electrical requirements, which are 320 watts on a 230 volt single-phase supply. This example is set for G30 LPG gas, requiring 30 millibars of pressure.
For installation, there are three main connection points. The gas inlet is 3/4 of an inch. The water inlet is 1/2 inch and requires a water pressure between 2 and 4 bar. Finally, the electrical connection requires a single-phase supply with a live, neutral, and ground wire. Now, let's tour the front control panel. Here you have the faucet for filling the pan, the up and down push buttons for the tilting mechanism, the main gas valve knob with 3 operational positions, the thermostat knob for setting your cooking temperature, an electric ignition button, a green indicator light for power, and an amber indicator light which shows when the burner is actively heating.
Before cooking, it's important to follow the correct startup sequence. We will cover filling the pan, lighting the pilot flame, and then operating the main burner. The first and most crucial step before heating is to prepare the pan. To fill the 115-liter pan, simply use the faucet at the front. Always ensure there is a minimum amount of liquid, like water or oil, or your food product in the pan before you begin heating. This prevents the pan surface from scorching and protects your equipment.
Next, let's light the pilot flame. Turn the main gas valve knob to the pilot position and push it in. While holding the knob in, press the black electric ignition button. You will hear the sparker firing. Look through the small pilot inspection hole to confirm the pilot flame is lit. Continue holding the knob for at least a minute to allow the thermocouple to heat up. On a cold start, this can take up to 5 minutes. Now that the pan is filled and the pilot flame is stable, you are ready to heat. Turn the gas valve knob to the main burner on position, marked with the large flame icon. Now, use the separate thermostat knob to set your desired cooking temperature, up to 300 degrees Celsius. The amber light will turn on, indicating the main burner is heating, and will cycle off once the set temperature is reached.
To empty the pan, use the up and down push buttons. As a critical safety feature, the main burner will automatically shut off as soon as the pan begins to tilt upwards. The burner will only be allowed to reignite when the pan is returned to its fully down, horizontal position. To shut down the unit, first turn the gas control knob from the main burner setting back to the pilot position. This will extinguish the main burner flame, leaving only the small pilot flame lit. Next, to completely turn off the gas supply, continue turning the knob from the pilot position to the off symbol. This will extinguish the pilot flame. As a final step, always turn the thermostat knob to the off position. This ensures the entire heating system is fully shut down and ready to be safely cleaned once it has cooled.
Please note, as long as the unit is connected to the main electrical supply, the electric tilting mechanism will remain functional, even when the burners are off.